Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I will be guiding you step by step on my method for converting units. Let's start with some basic units. Let's create our base with our basic units, grams, meters, liters. Then let's add kilo to our units on the left side, for example, kilogram, kilometer, kiloliter, and milli on the right side, for example, milligram, millimeter, and milliliter. Now, if we are moving from our base to milli, we move our decimal point 3 times to the right. And if we are moving from our base to kilo, we move the decimal point 3 times to the left. Let's solve our first example. Let's bring down our 1 gram and turn it into a decimal. According to our conversion chart, we will be moving the decimal point 3 times to the right. Let's move our decimal 1, 2, don't forget to add the zeros, and 3 times to the right, giving us 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Now let's try another example. According to our conversion chart, we will be moving the decimal point 3 times to the right. Let's bring down our 2.1 grams and keep it as a decimal. Let's move our decimal 1, 2, 3 times to the right. Don't forget to add your zeros, giving us 2.1 grams equals 2,100 milligrams. Now let's try another example. According to our conversion chart, we will be going from milligrams to grams. So we will be moving our decimal point 3 times to the left, since we are moving backwards from milligrams to grams. Let's bring down our 6,500 milligrams and turn it into a decimal. Now let's move our decimal point 1, 2, 3 times to the left. Get rid of the extra zeros, giving us 6,500 milligrams equals 6.5 grams. Now let's try another example. According to our conversion chart, we will be moving the decimal point 3 times to the left. Let's bring down our 45.3 meters and keep it as a decimal. Now let's move our decimal point 1, 2, 3 times to the left. Don't forget to add zeros, giving us 45.3 meters equals 0.0453 kilometers. Now let's go back to our base and add other units that are sometimes used. Let's take only our meters unit, and let's add decimeter and centimeter. Millimeter is the same location as our base, there is just deci and centi in between. So if we know we need to move our decimal point 3 times to the right to get to millimeter, then we need to move 1 decimal to the right for decimeter, and 2 decimal points to the right if going from meters to centimeters. If we are moving from one unit right next to the other, we just move the decimal point once. Let's try an example. Let's bring down our 4 meters and make it a decimal. According to our base, we will be moving our decimal point 2 times to the right. Giving us 4 meters equals 400 centimeters. Let's try another example. Let's bring down our 5.5 millimeters and keep it as a decimal. According to our base, we will be moving our decimal point 1 time to the left. Remember, if we are moving from one unit right next to the other, we just move the decimal point once. Don't forget to add your zero, giving us 5.5 millimeters equals 0.55 centimeters. I hope these examples and step-by-step instructions on the way I convert basic units was helpful. Please leave a comment with any suggestions or other nursing-related topics you would like to see next. Thank you for watching.